8. Page 70. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
The camel is big. The ant is small.
I can see a king and a queen.
Look, the pyramid is big. The stone is small.
Unit 8, page 71. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Camel, key, pyramid, sphinx, stones, king, queen.
Unit 8, page 72. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
King, k, king, k, queen, qu, queen, qu.
Unit 8, page 74. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Look, it's big.
Look, it's small.
Unit 8, page 75. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and point. 1.
Hello, I'm Zain. I live in Port Said.
2.
Hello, I'm Eunice. I live in Luxor.
3.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Adam. I live in Aswan.
4.
Hello, I'm Mariam. I live in Cairo.
5.
Hello, what's your name? I'm Reem. I live in Alexandria.